Hey guys, it's Josh here from Remax. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm in the heart of the Kirkendall neighborhood today, just steps from Locke Street, close to all the shopping and restaurants you can enjoy on Locke Street area, close to also within the catchment areas of some of the city's best schools. Great parks nearby as well. I have a great new listing to show off today. It's a 3-bedroom cottage with 2 baths, a partially finished basement, parking in the front for 1 car, a nice little courtyard in the back for a little exterior sitting area. It's a great new listing, can't wait to show it off. Come on in, check it out.